Hey guys, we just got here to Caribbean Beach, and so I just wanted to give you a quick room tour of our unsightly luggage and grocery delivery, but that's the front door, and as you walk in here, it's a decent sized room. It's not terribly small. It's smaller than the ones at the Contemporary where we stayed last time, but still decent room space. We have two, I guess they call them queen size or double beds, and then one child size pull down, which is just the four of us. Ooh. It's just the four of us, so that'll be fine. One of the boys would probably fit on there. This pull down looks a little bit smaller than some of the others I've seen, but still cute and functional. In-room coffee and ice, and fridge is down there. There's our milk. And then these two double doors, if you can see at the top, will slide together for the bathroom. We've got some hanging space here for our clothes, sink area, and vanity down below. And then this is bathroom. Bathroom's pretty small. Toilet, shower. I don't love the shower curtain situation, but that's what it is. So yeah, Caribbean Beach is really popular, and that's kind of an overview of what the rooms look like. So that's it. So I just want to pull a few final thoughts together about Caribbean Beach. It is a very nice resort, and we did really like staying there. A couple things though. We did feel a little bit cramped in the room. There were only four of us, and even with the fifth sleeper, it was just a little bit tight. You know, by the time we had all of our stuff and our luggage and everything. But the resort itself is very nice. The pool is lovely. The Banana Cabana Beach pool bar is great. The Centertown Market inside is a great quick stop place to eat. The grounds are very well kept. It's, you know, it's a very nice resort. But the thing I think that sold me the most on it is the Skyliner for sure. It is so convenient, and it is just the way to travel across Walt Disney World. I don't know that I can go and not stay on the Skyliner now. It is that convenient. I mean, it's just a couple minute ride over to Hollywood Studios from Caribbean Beach. And Caribbean Beach is the hub. So, that's why it's so popular with a lot of people. So if you're interested in a room at Caribbean Beach or any Disney World resort hotel, please reach out to us at Travel Dolce, and we would be happy to help you. If you are interested in Caribbean Beach, though, I would book super early because those rooms go fast. It is currently January 2022, and I'm already seeing stuff sold out through the summer for Caribbean Beach. So definitely book early, and we'd be happy to help. So talk to you later. Thanks, guys. Bye.